My name is Chris Colasano. I am the property manager at Christ Community Church in Houston, Texas. I'm a little obsessive compulsive, and so details are very important to me. If you're not taking care of the details of how your facility looks or how your business looks, then immediately, I think a lot of people will say, then how are you going to take care of me? Every Sunday, there's stuff to clean up after 500 to 700 people run around this place. The care of the carpet is very important. The major cleaning, the deep cleaning, I don't worry about it. It's something that's not even on my radar because I know I'm going to be taken care of. So what's it like working with Bayou City Steam Cleaning? It's a question that's been asked to me before. It's an easy answer. What I think is the most important thing about any vendor is integrity. There's an old expression that with integrity, nothing else matters, and without it, nothing else matters. And I was impressed with not only the detail, but also the questions that I asked, the answers I was getting. And then also watching Mark with his crew, he seems to be constantly teaching them, educating them, ask a lot of open-ended questions, which impressed me. So he's more than just, I'm here to clean your carpet. I'm here to take care of you. I'm here for you to not have to worry about it. When they finished the job, he was very careful to let me know that if something doesn't look right, give me a call. We'll come back and take care of it. Fortunately, I didn't need to because everything looked great. They take care of exactly what they say they're going to do. They're punctual. They err to over-communicate. They use the right products, and when they're done, the only way you know they were here, place is clean. Okay? If someone were to ask me, give me the name of somebody who does a good job, better than a good job, on taking care of your facility, the carpet, the flooring, it would be easy for me to recommend Bayou City Steam. Very easy. It's a good, solid company that you can depend on.